I'm going to hold your hand when I say this. The people who taught you about sexuality, they lied to you. They did not know what they were talking about. I am so sorry. Also, religion is made up by human beings. Religion, all of them, created historically from humans. You can literally learn the history of every religion and you will find that it was created by human beings. Sexuality is scientifically understood, right? We understand a lot about it at this point. Sure, there's always more to learn, just like there's more to learn about the floating planet we're on right now, about our own anatomy. We even have identified new organs in our own body as early as 2018. So yeah, but my point is, human sexuality is on a spectrum, not my opinion, scientific fact. You can Google it today if you would like. Also, in addition to that, it's a very complex thing, and largely all of the things that contribute to it are out of our control, like you person's unique brain chemistry and other things that happen even before you came earthside. People discover who they are. They don't choose it, and they only can discover it when you're not lying to them and telling them that all human beings are heterosexual. That's ridiculous. That's never been true. There are 1,600 species of animals, or plus probably more, including us, that are known, scientifically known, to engage in non-heterosexual relationships and intimacy. And keep in mind, I am heterosexual. Saying all this, I just also am a scientist who have actually studied sexuality. I'm sorry, your grandmother or whoever told you that everybody is supposed to be anything. Oh, and they lied to you about gender too. Let me not even get started with that. I will save that for a different one. My point is, if you actually want to understand something, you must look at what humans up to now have discovered through actual research. And a lot of people are struggling to tell the difference between facts and opinions because you grew up in homes where opinions were expressed as if they were facts. Imagine somebody trying to tell you about cars that's never studied anything about cars. That's where a lot of y'all got your information about things like sexuality and gender, which is a social construct, by the way, made up also by humans, and religion and all of this stuff. Like, if you actually want to understand things, you must step outside of your indoctrination, step outside of your conditioning, and really be a curious scientist again, which is how you started life. But I'm just exhausted by it. And I have empathy. Don't get me wrong. There were times where I was lost, believing bullshit that people taught me too. But I'm so glad I chose to read a book and take classes and all of these things. And you can do that too. We got to wake up, y'all. This is ridiculous. The pain we're causing each other because of shit that you could Google at any time. And today I'm over it energy. So I'm just going to lay it out plain and simple for you. You have to educate yourself on topics.